Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to another video. Y'all, this is actually the third time I have recorded this because the first time I was all cute, my hair was fresh, but my energy was just off and I couldn't have that. But anyways, today's video, I am finally giving you guys my full review and thoughts on Adwoa Beauty's Blue Tansy line. So if that's what you're interested in, go ahead, sit down, kick back, relax, and we can chat just a little bit. Adwoa Beauty's website says the Blue Tansy collection is a silicone-free vegan protein assortment which focuses on detoxing, strengthening, and repairing chemically processed or damaged hair, as well as protection from thermal styling. Okay, it is ideal for all hair types from kinky to straight. The Blue Tansy collection, which is clean, vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and non-toxic, features 5 products. We have the Blue Tansy clarifying shampoo, the reparative conditioner, the reparative mask, the leave-in conditioning styler, and the treatment serum. The collection uses PCR plastic, recyclable cardboard, and glass packaging. Let's get into this. Absolutely love the packaging. I love that it's blue. I love the way it looks on my shelves. It just really stands out from the rest of the products that I have. It's very like eye-catching and like you know what it is, and it gives you that black girl luxury that is like on trend right now. I absolutely love it. I like to see how much product I have left, which I mean it's kind of hard to see with this. That's my only downfall, but otherwise I absolutely love it. And I mean it is like solid blue from the like even the nozzle, like the attention to detail. It is just so simple and sleek. Even on the mask, the lid, blue, like all of this treatment serum, I don't have the cap on it, but it's blue too. This is just so aesthetically pleasing. It just, I don't know. Also, I don't know the prices off the top of my head per usual, but all of these products will be linked in the description box down below along with the prices. So definitely check that out for more info. I don't want to make this video any longer than it has to be. I'm sure you've already seen other videos on these products, so I really just want to tell you how I feel about them. So I really want to start with the clarifying shampoo, which I have used multiple times and it is still heavy. So a little goes a long way in my opinion. I use it at least twice during the wash days where I use it. Typically, my first cleanse, I focus on the scalp. It is supposed to be for detoxing and cleansing, and it's a clarifying gel. Oh, let me show you. I don't think that I have any gel shampoos in my like arsenal. Like it's just not a thing. I have shampoo bars and I have, you know, shampoos, but the fact that this is a gel was intriguing to me. I really like the way it makes my hair feel. So the lather is not too much, it is just right. The scent and fragrance can be a lot if you are sensitive to scents. It's a floral fragrance in my opinion, but it doesn't seem to last that long. The shampoo is where I smell it the most, but definitely go into a Sephora and actually smell the products before you buy them, especially if you are sensitive to certain scents. So I will say that. But back to this clarifying gel shampoo. On Sephora's website, I've seen that quite a few people say that it has left a cast on their hair, and that just has not been my experience. I used this for my last wash day just to make sure, and no, I don't feel anything on my hair after using this shampoo. So second cleanse is when I like to go in and really like focus on my strands, and that's when I like to detangle my hair. I can detangle with this shampoo even though it is clarifying. My hair is definitely like, it feels hydrated somehow after I use this clarifying shampoo, and it like blows my mind because anytime I can start to feel my coils really like defined during my wash day, it's always like, I love feeling the texture of my hair and it doesn't feel coated. It's like literally my coils in their most natural habitat, and I really like how my hair feels after using the shampoo. So moving on to the 𝙿𝚛𝚘𝚍 reparative conditioner. Now, I know I've said this before. I follow Julian Addo. I don't want to butcher her name, but the owner, founder, creator of Adwoa Beauty. I follow her on Instagram, and she says she likes to use the conditioner as a co-wash. So I kept that in mind when I purchased this, because honestly, as a natural, how often do we really like go for regular conditioners? It's not really, I can speak for myself. Sometimes I feel like it's not really necessary to have just a regular conditioner. So this conditioner I haven't used solely as a co-wash. I haven't like jumped in the shower and put this directly on my head. I have used it after a clay wash, so technically it's still using it as a conditioner. What I can say about this conditioner is it's a very creamy, it's not heavy at all, and it works really good as a detangler. So like I said, I'm not really sure about the price. I don't know how much you want to pay for a really good detangler, but it really does like soften my hair and make it easier to keep my hair detangled throughout my wash day. Because when you have coils like I do, it's very easy for my hair to just tangle upon itself during the wash day. So it's either you keep it stretched or you just deal with detangling whenever you feel like it. And I definitely don't keep mine stretched, but that's what I would say the best purpose, in my opinion, for the reparative conditioner is as a detangler, or if you just need a quick zap of protein, like you just feel like your hair just needs a little something, not maybe an entire mask or treatment, but just a little, you could go in with this conditioner. So next I want to talk about the reparative mask. Y'all, like, this is some good stuff. This is goodness to me. First of all, I've had these products since they launched in September, and I've used them multiple times. I know I've used this at least 3 or 4 times, and I'm sure you can't see, but I haven't even put a dent into this mask. So even because I believe this may be about $40, but I could probably use this all year and maybe need to like buy it once a year, because it's not that I have to be heavy-handed, but when I put this on my soaking wet hair, I can feel when it's on my hair, and I don't have to go overboard with the amount. I don't have to be product heavy with this. It's so well formulated that I don't want to say a little goes a long way, but a little does its justice, you know what I mean? And I just, let me tell you, I just love it. And even though this is a reparative mask, when you rinse this out of your hair, whether you add heat or not, the softness that your hair has from these strengthening products is not something I'm used to, honestly. So for me, that is what really stands out about this product line, is how soft and manageable my hair feels after a protein treatment. Like this is, yes. So next up, the 𝙿𝚛𝚘𝚍 leave-in conditioning styler, which is, I know you've seen it a few times, but let me tell you something. So, you know, I usually use this when I'm heat styling. You saw me do it. You saw me use it when I did the tension method, because I know for sure these two products are said to have thermal protectant up to 375. So if I'm going in to maybe diffuse my hair or to, you know, stretch my hair, I really like going in with this leave-in conditioner because my hair still felt soft and moisturized, and I knew I was getting that heat protectant also. But for this wash day, for this wash and go, mind you, this is day 4 and my hair feels amazing. Of course, I use Adwoa beauty products, but yeah, this is day 4. And okay, this leave-in styler I finally used in the shower, and the softness was so crazy, y'all. Like, I can't even explain. Like, my hair felt like water. Like, as the water no, like for real, like, because I applied it on soaking wet hair. So after I rinse the mask out, my hair is already soft, right? So I put my head back underneath the shower head, and I've got the leave-in, you know, I'm warming it up to apply to my hair, and it literally was gliding through my coils. That is no exaggeration. I wish I would have recorded it for y'all, but like, I felt my whole face like light up, because I don't know, I just didn't expect this to be as good as it was. I was really hesitant about this product, this leave-in, in the beginning, because you know, with the 𝚘𝚘𝚏𝚒, we know that leave-in gives us a little extra hold, you know. So this though, my hair, like, the moisture that my hair still feels, it pairs wonderfully with the defining, no, it pairs wonderfully with the defining gel. What is it called? The gel from Adwoa Beauty. Because my wash and go was the best wash and go I have seen on Fred ever, and I have no pictures or anything from it, but I'll do it again. This honestly worked better with that gel for a wash and go than the 𝚘𝚘𝚏𝚒 leave-in, in my opinion. I'm just telling you. And so lastly, we have the treatment serum, which, I mean, I've used half of the bottle already. If that says anything to you, I just love it. I apply this to my hair every other day at least, and I use it for multiple things. So of course, blow drying, tension method, things like that. I use it to stretch my wash and go, which was the first time I had ever done that. Worked well. It doesn't leave my hair feeling greasy anytime that I use it. A couple weeks ago, I had my hair in those braids or twists for a few days before I took them down. So at night, I might just go in and add some of this serum to my ends. You know, I'm really trying to focus on length retention this year, and I just keep gravitating towards this serum. It's just something. Serums just feel better than oils to me, and I just really like it. It's not as heavily fragranted as the shampoo, I will say. And it says you just need a squirt. You can apply it on dry, wet, damp hair. It's multi-purpose, and I use it for anything. Like, I almost want to put it on my elbows, but that's not necessary. Yeah, so to round this wrap up, the products that I absolutely love is all of them. The one that I say you might not really need if your hair texture is like mine, you know, like I'm thinking for me and my coils, you probably could pass on a reparative conditioner unless you like to spend really good coins on a detangler. That's the only thing that I can say. I'm not saying this is a bad product at all, but you know, like, just because a product line has products doesn't mean that you need all the products in the line, right? Like, clearly it says this is for kinky to straight hair, so it's for all hair types. Like, pick and choose what you need and what works for you. Personally, I'm not mad that I bought it. I don't feel like that I wasted my money at all. It's honestly, I've used it, like, I've used more of it than the other products, so I definitely am using it. I just don't know if it's useful for everyone, and it really depends on your pockets. Everything else, I would say you need it. Okay, maybe you don't need it, but I would highly recommend it. Like, Faren stamp of approval. And to be honest, I feel like Adwoa Beauty, as they are growing and developing, is one of those brands that, like, could be my go-to brand for hair products. Like, I just really love the time and energy and thought process that goes into these products. I love the way they work on my hair, and honestly, I feel as if it's a brand I can believe in and trust in. You know what I'm saying? And Adwoa is expected to release more products in 2022, which I'm super excited about. I love how intentional she is with her releases and the things that she does, and I will continue to support. I will continue to use these. And yeah, that's it. Comment down below and let me know what products you have tried from the Blue Tansy collection, and if you like them, give me your feedback. Tell me what you thought. Like, you agree with me, you disagree, it's fine. I just like the conversation. Thank you guys so much for always supporting me and watching my videos. I can't tell you how much it means to me, and I will see you guys in the next one.